Okay, let's get straight into it here. Um, so obviously we made all-time highs of like 126.23, and yeah, big gap in the markets here. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so getting into the start on 5 minute here. Also just looking at some 15-minute market structure here and some order flow. So obviously very bullish order flow here. We're starting to push down into this key range right here, because if we go on 1 hour, we have really good bullish order flow right here. So definitely just pretty much looking off of that, and then obviously we got some like London lows and London highs here marked out, and then these are session lows and session highs of obviously New York session. So yeah, just probably looking to like retest this price range and then pretty much see where it goes. So that's pretty much what I'm just looking at if it comes in the trades in the London session here. Pretty much same story here on ES as well. Um, London highs, lows, session highs, New York session. I mean session lows and then session highs as well. So same story again. Just seeing how it reacts to this price range here, and if it does like come anywhere near London lows here, like this is like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4 RR to the downside that we're looking at here, but I don't think it's gonna do that, and cause of the news that we have, I mean it's not too bad on Tuesday, but on Wednesday here, I mean we got some like crazy stuff like FOMC fund rate, FOMC. Don't forget to change y'all's clocks, and then we got ISPMI here. So pretty crazy news that's honestly coming on Wednesday. I'm just probably gonna keep it safe, keep me up on the month here, and probably just not trade it. I know a lot of people do like to trade on those days because it does obviously add a lot of volatility, a lot of liquidity, and I mean that's just how people trade. So I mean if that's their strategy, that's their strategy. So I'm gonna stick to my stuff. I'm gonna stick to how I like to trade it. I like to trade on some obviously I do like to trade on some volatile days, but when it comes to Wednesday and I see like 4 or 5 red folders, I'm gonna play it safe and pretty much stick to what I do here. But I'm just gonna keep my P&L green for the month, obviously. So um, that's what I'm looking at when it comes to futures here. And then let's go to my bread and butter here on Bitcoin, because um, price action here is kind of looking kind of choppy here. So I mean, I thought if we came into this price range here, it would just pretty much just take out lows, but really it's just consolidating here, and I'm just seeing how it's gonna react off of these highs and off of these lows, and I'm just looking for pretty much a candle closure under this for maybe longs here, and might want to take out this, and if it comes above here, I might be looking for maybe a short to the downside here. It might want to come and take out these highs, but if we look on draws and liquidity onto the downside here, I mean, it might want to take out these lows before it does make a big move. Hold on, let's see if we can find a nice, good 1 hour draw and liquidity here, and I think I might have found it. So, I mean, for me, there might be a lot of orders within this price range here. So, I mean, I might want to take out these lows here, but I feel like it's pricing in the news that's coming in, and that's maybe the reason why it's acting like this. Because usually I've been finding great setups here. So, and then that's just pure consolidation right here and right here. So, I mean, it's looking very bearish here. Obviously, I mean we're making lower lows and lower highs here. So, obviously we're pretty much going to the downside, and then this is just I don't like that right there. So, um, so yeah, that's pretty much it's pretty chill Monday, which pretty chill Monday here. Didn't trade today because uh I didn't really find nothing, to be honest with you. Actually, that's kind of a lie. I did take a small trade here. I guess if I might put it on the screen, but if I feel like, but it wasn't really nothing. Like I placed the a short right here, and I barely made like, I want to say like 335, around 300 right there. I don't even feel like that's worth posting about, because I really like posting good trades. So yeah, I might not put that there. So that's probably the only thing I found here, because I found, I found a break of structure off of this candle here, and then I got a 5 minute confirmation off of that small candle here, and then I just decided to take a short here, and then it didn't really go as planned, because the reason why I did that here is because we were coming into those key levels right here, and I figured if it entered, I mean, when it did, I mean, it did have a nice candle. I was up at like $500 profit, and I think I sold somewhere like right in this area right here. So not really worth posting about, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna keep looking for pretty much maybe a good setup here, and yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to what I'm feeling this week. I hope y'all have been good, sticking to y'all's trading plans, and just keeping it pushing, in a sense that like y'all are staying strong to y'all's trading plans. Y'all are not taking any crazy setups. I mean, I love y'all coming here, and I love sharing news. I love talking anything trading, business. Obviously, y'all know how. I mean, we like it here on this channel. This channel's here for, you know, just pretty much a good vibe. And if y'all need any help here, drop a comment in my section. Drop a comment in my comment section. I'll more than be more than happy to help you. So yes. So that's pretty much what I have for here today, and I just hope y'all are doing um having a pretty good day here on the trading. So let me find a quote that I want to share with y'all here today. Okay, TRA trading. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all.